What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you by far the cheapest pressure washer on the market. This was $59 on homedepot.com. Free shipping. It was $63 after taxes and everything, but it was on sale. Before sale the price was $89. Anyway, so it's a 1500 psi 1.3 gallon per minute electric pressure washer. It's Armor All, but if you open up the box here, it is a product by Karcher. So it says right here, 1 year limited warranty, electric pressure washer, and down here it says a Karcher product. So we're gonna open it up, see what it comes with, and give it a test on my floor mats. So let's get started. Okay, so you put the manuals aside. We have the hose. Not sure how long this is, but I'll check. We have the handle here. You have a pretty small foam cannon. You know, that's good that it comes with one to begin with. You have the spray attachment. This is the handle for the pressure washer. And that's it. So here it is. It really seems to be a very good quality. So the handle right here just clips right in. There it goes. There it is. Pressure washer. Comes with a safety circuit disconnect here. The cord seems to be very long. The output right here. See, even right here says by Karcher. Got the inlet right here. So right now I'm gonna put it all together and we're gonna test it on the floor mats. I'm gonna bleed the air before I turn it on. I think that's good enough. Now we're gonna hit the button. Okay. Okay, so you can twist this to widen or narrow the path. Foam cannon. Okay, so I think for 60 bucks, this is definitely the best bang for your buck. It has a 1-year warranty. You can't expect too much from a 1500 psi 1.3 gallon per minute pressure washer. However, the foam cannon is an absolute garbage. You should buy one aftermarket if you want to use it. But this one really does not work. I mean, just putting the soap in a bucket and throwing it on the car is better than this. Anyway, otherwise, I think it's very good quality. It works very well. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. If this video is helpful, helping you decide if you want to buy one or not, please give it a big thumbs up. Please hit the red subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.